Good morning, guys. All are getting my screen and voice. Please confirm in chat box. All are getting my screen and voice. Right. Fine. So in last session, we discussed about what is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Next, before that we discussed what is infrastructure also. What is infrastructure? Next, what is cloud computing we discussed. Next, cloud computing advantages we discussed. The advantages of cloud computing. Next, cloud platforms available in market. Cloud providers available in market. So these things we covered in last session, guys. What is infrastructure? What is cloud computing? Advantages of cloud computing. Cloud providers available in market. What is infrastructure, guys? What is infrastructure? If you want to develop any software project or if you want to deploy any software project, we need some platform. And if you want to create that platform, some infrastructure must be required, guys. If you want to develop the software project or if you want to deploy the software project, we need some platform. To create that platform, what we require, infrastructure is required. Right? Infrastructure in IT point of view, infrastructure is nothing but resources, software resources. Whatever the resources you require to create the project and deploy the project, that is called as infrastructure, guys. Like machines, power, network, storage, security, load balancing, all these things will come under infrastructure only. For developing the application and deploying the application, we require one platform. To create that platform, what are the resources are required? That resources we will call it as infrastructure. Is it clear, guys? Next, what is cloud computing, guys? What is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? See, guys, here that infrastructure, that platform we can create on premises and we can take from the cloud providers. Cloud providers, cloud computing means that based on demand, they will provide the IT resources for you, guys. Cloud computing means what, guys? Based on the demand, they will provide the IT resources for you. That is called as cloud computing. Right? Taking the IT resources based on the demand from the cloud providers is called as cloud computing. As per, right, as here, right, you don't need to pay the amount for all the services. Whatever you are using, just pay for that only, guys. Clear, guys? What is infrastructure? What is cloud computing? Right? Cloud computing means what? They will provide the IT resources for you on demand basis. They will provide the IT resources for you on demand basis. What advantages are there with this cloud computing, guys? What advantages are there with cloud computing? What advantages we have? Pay as you go pricing is available, scalability is available, reliability is available, low cost, right, security is available, storage is available, backup is available. All these things are the advantages of the cloud computing, guys. If you go with cloud computing, you no need to pay the amount for all the services. Pay as you go pricing. Pay as you go pricing, you can go. Next, if you go with cloud computing, reliability, scalability, right here, unlimited storage is available, backup is available, security is available, everything you will get in this cloud computing. And all these are the advantages of this cloud computing, guys. As of now, we don't have any disadvantages. That's why we are following with them. Let's see, guys. Next, cloud providers. What cloud providers are available in market, guys? What cloud providers are available in market? So many cloud providers are available. In yesterday's session, we discussed what cloud providers are available. AWS, Azure, GCP, Salesforce CRM, right, IBM, Oracle, right, Alibaba Cloud, like these several cloud providers also available in market. So many cloud providers are available in market, guys. So these 4 steps are clear. In yesterday's session, we covered these 4 steps. What is infrastructure? What is cloud computing? What advantages we have with cloud computing? Cloud providers available in market. Fine, guys. Fine. So as part of today's session, we are going to start cloud services. Cloud services, guys. Right, these cloud services are classified into 3 ways, guys. These cloud services are classified into 3 ways. What 3 ways are there, guys? One is IaaS. Second one is PaaS. Third one is SaaS. Cloud services are classified into 3 ways. These are the 3 ways, guys. IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. What is this IaaS stands for, guys? Infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. Second one is platform as a service. Third one is software as a service. Cloud providers are providing the services in these 3 ways, guys. Right, in these 3 ways, cloud providers are providing the services, guys. Right, some of the infrastructures they are providing, some of the platforms they are providing, some of the softwares they are providing. Cloud services are classified into 3 ways: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, right, software as a service. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, next one is software as a service. So these are the 3 ways cloud services are classified. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Okay, guys. Now, observe very carefully, guys. Cloud services are classified into 3 ways. One is IaaS, second one is PaaS, third one is SaaS. SaaS. These are the 3 ways. 3 ways we have, guys. IaaS, Second one is PAS. Third one is SAS. Okay. So now, if you go with IaaS, what cloud providers are providing in IaaS, guys? What they are providing in IaaS? See, guys, here you are going to get. See, guys, observe carefully. Cloud providers are providing, right, storage. They are providing, guys. In IaaS, they are providing the storage. They are providing the storage. Right. Next, they are providing virtualization. A mission they are providing with the virtualization. A mission they are providing with the virtualization. Next, they will provide network, etc. These things they are providing, guys. All these things they are providing. Right. As a user, what you need to take care? What you need to take care, guys? If you go with IaaS process. If you go with IaaS, cloud providers are providing these things only. Network they are providing, virtualization they are providing, storage they are providing. What you need to take care? Here, operating system. If you want to run the system, operating system is required. That operating system you only needs to take care. Next here, runtime is required. If you want to run the application, some softwares are required. Those softwares also you only need to take care. Runtime. If you want to run the application, runtime is required. Runtime means softwares. Those softwares you only need to take care. Next here, application. Application also you only need to take care, guys. See, guys, if you go with the IaaS process, cloud providers are providing network, virtualization, storage. And you have to take care application, you have to take care runtime, you have to take care operating system. Understood, guys? Right? If you go with IaaS, guys, these people in IaaS, they are not providing the platform. You need to create the platform. You need to set up the platform. Just they are providing the infrastructure. What infrastructure they are providing? Network they are providing, storage they are providing, one mission with virtualization they are providing. Right? OS you only need to take care. Runtime you only need to take care. Application you only need to take care. With all these things, you need to create the platform if you go with infrastructure as a service. Okay. If I go with platform as a service, what cloud providers will take care? What I need to take care at here? If I go with the platform as a service, here what cloud providers are taking care, guys? Here they are going to take care virtualization. A mission with virtualization they are taking care. Next here they will take care, right here they will take care operating system, they only will take care. We no need to worry about the operating system. And the network they only will take care, right? And the storage they only will take care. Storage. Next here, runtime they only will take care. Runtime also they only will take care. Right? All these things they only will take care. See, guys, network, virtualization, storage, OS, runtime. Right? All these things cloud providers only will take care. Right? As a user, what you need to take care, guys? Here, only application. Just focus on the application development and all. Remaining things you no need to worry. Remaining things cloud providers will take care. In platform as a service, what we need to do, guys? Just we have to focus on the application business logic, guys. Remaining everything, whatever you required to deploy this application, all those things cloud providers only will take care if you go with the platform as a service. They are providing the platform. They are providing complete platform. Just we need to deploy our application in that platform. If you go with the infrastructure as a service, they are not providing the platform. They are providing the infrastructure. Network you want to take from cloud providers. Storage you want to take from cloud providers. Backup you want to take from cloud providers. Whatever resources you want, take those resources from the cloud providers. With those resources, create platform in IaaS. In PaaS, that platform, entire platform to deploy the application, whatever the platform is required, that entire platform cloud providers only providing. Just you need to focus on the application. But if you go with SaaS, if you go with SaaS, right, what they are providing? What they are providing? Application they only will provide. Application also they only will provide. Right, virtualization they only will provide. Virtualization, right, operating system, network, storage, right, runtime, everything they only will take care. Application also they are only providing, right, as a users just use their application and pay the rent. Use their application for your business purpose and pay the rent. That's it, guys. Right, in SaaS stands for what? Software as a service. They are providing the software as a service, guys. They are providing the software as a service. Right, here what we need to do? Just we need to use that software for our business purpose and pay the rent. That's it, guys. Best example for this. See, for online classes, for conducting online classes, we are using Zoom application. We are using Zoom application. Am I developed this Zoom application? No. Am I developed this Zoom application? No. They are providing. Cloud providers are providing this Zoom application. I am using that Zoom application for my business purpose. I am using Zoom application for my business purpose. Every month I need to pay the rent. Every month I need to pay the rent for them. Understood, guys? That is software as a service. Right? Salesforce is there. That is also one of the cloud provider. Right? Salesforce is providing CRM application. Right? CRM, they are not providing infrastructure and platforms, guys. Salesforce is providing CRM application. Use that CRM application for your business purpose and pay the rent for them. Understood, guys? Google Drive is there. Google Drive, what we are doing? Right? They are providing, already they are developed the software, they are providing for the rent. Right? We are using for storing videos and all these things. We are using the Google Drive and we are paying the rent for them, guys. Right? Whatever, if they provide the software as a service, we don't need to do anything. Just use those services for our business purpose, pay the rent. That's it, guys. If you go with the platform as a service, just focus on the application development. Remaining everything they will take care. Just develop the application and deploy the application into that platform. They are providing complete platform. Whatever the platform is required for our application deployment, that platform they are providing. We don't need to worry anything. Just we need to focus on the application logic. Right? Once your application development is completed, deploy that application into that platform what they are providing. If you go with infrastructure as a service, here platform is not ready. We need to create the platform. In the infrastructure as a service, just they are providing the resources for the rent. Right? Whatever the resources you want, take from the cloud providers. With those resources, we need to create the platform in IaaS. Is that clear, guys? What is IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? Cloud providers, whatever the cloud services are available, they classified into these three ways, guys. Right? You want IaaS, you want the platform as a service, you want the software as a service. Right? Based on your requirement, you need to choose. That is up to your wish. Online candidates, is it clear? What is IaaS? What you will get in IaaS? What is PaaS? What you will get in PaaS? What is SaaS? What you will get in SaaS? Give me 1 minute, I will show the diagram. No problem. Yes, here just I am going to give IaaS versus PaaS versus SaaS. Go to images. Okay, here beautiful images are there. Beautiful images are there. See guys. See guys. See here. IAS is there. PAS is there. SAS is there. In a red color, whatever we have. See guys here. Red color. Service provider managers. Red color thing. Service provider managers. 1 minute. See guys, observe carefully. See guys, here some of the things we have in red color guys. Some of the things we have in red color. In IAS we have something in red color. In PAS also we have something in red color. In SAS also we have something in red color. Whatever they mentioned in red color, see all those things. Service providers manage. Service provider managers. And we don't need to worry about these things. If you go with IaaS, what they are managing, virtualization they are managing, servers they are managing, storage they are managing, network they are managing. We need to focus on operating system, middleware, runtime, data, applications. These things we need to take care. These things we need to take care, guys. And these red color things, service provider, cloud providers will take care. Next one is PaaS, platform as a service. Here, runtime they are only taking care, middleware, OS, virtualization, server, storage, network, everything cloud providers only will take care. As a user, just we need to focus on the application development and required data. For test that application, what data is required, that data guys. Just we need to focus on the application. If you go with the SAS, nothing we need to take care. Everything they only will take care. They are giving one software. They were giving one software as a service. Just use that service. Just use that software for our business purpose. Clear guys? These three are clear? These three are clear. One more is there, which is on-premise. On-premise guys. In on-premise, if you want to set up these things, everything you only need to take care. Everything, right? You need to go to the market and you need to purchase all these things. Networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating systems, middleware, runtime. There everything you only need to purchase and you need to set up. You need to create the application. You need to prepare the data. You need to deploy the application into the platform. Everything you only need to take care in on-premise cases. Is it clear, guys? Observe this diagram. Red color things, cloud providers, managers. Let this say, what is this color? Clay color or something. At this thing, we need to take care. We need to take care, guys. Have a look into this diagram. You guys will get more clarity. Cloud services are classified into three ways. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. IaaS, PaaS, SAS. In interview, they will ask, what is the difference between IaaS, PaaS, SAS? SAS means what? We no need to take care anything. Just use whatever the software they are providing. And in PaaS, just we need to focus on the application. And in IaaS, we need to take care of the application, we need to take care of the runtime, we need to take care of the operating system, we need to take care of the middlewares. Please have a look into this diagram. On-site means on-premise. On-premise, guys, in-house setup. If you go with this, everything we only need to take care. If you go with on-premise, more risk is high, guys. Risk is high. Cost is high and risk also is high, guys. Clear? Online candidates, please respond. Is it clear? Right, guys. So next, IAS. Here what is happening, guys? In IAS, what is happening? Here what we need to do? To run our application, we need to create the platform by using cloud infrastructures, guys. Using cloud infrastructures, right? We should prepare the platform. They are not providing the platform. We should prepare the platform to run our applications. To run our application, we should prepare the platform. We should prepare the platform using cloud infrastructure. Cloud infrastructure. Right here, just they are providing the infrastructure. Platform we should prepare to run the application. Whatever the platform is required, that platform we should prepare in IaaS. Okay. In PaaS, guys, cloud provider will give the platform. Just we need to run our application. And in PaaS, what is happening? Cloud providers will give the required platform to run our application. Here just we need to focus on the application. Right? Whatever the platform is required, that platform will be provided by cloud providers only. Next, what is SaaS? Cloud providers will provide the software, guys. Just we need to use that software for our business purpose. Cloud providers will provide the software for our business purpose. Cloud providers will provide the software for our business purpose. Please go through these things, guys. Cloud services are classified into below 3 ways. Cloud services are classified into below 3 ways. What 3 ways are there? IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. And in IaaS, they will provide the infrastructure. By using that infrastructure, we need to prepare the platform to run our application. Right? In PaaS, they are providing the platform, right, to run our application. In SaaS, our providers will provide the software for our business purpose. Is it clear, guys? Their diagram also available. What they are providing, what we need to take care. Okay. Fine. Next, guys, how AWS is providing globally, guys. How AWS is providing the services globally. What is the global infrastructure of the AWS? What is the AWS is providing the services for 190 plus countries. Right? Around 200 plus services, 190 plus countries are using. How AWS is providing, managing all these things? How AWS is managing all these things, guys? Right? Instead of maintaining us, instead of maintaining, right, us, cloud, AWS is maintaining all these things, guys. Instead of us, AWS is maintaining all these things. AWS should purchase all these things. We are not purchasing. Just we are using from the AWS. But AWS should purchase all these things, right? Servers AWS should purchase, power backup, networking, security, right, load balancing, everything, missions, everything AWS should purchase. Where AWS keeping, where AWS maintaining all these things, where AWS is maintaining all these things, guys. Right, 190 plus countries are using AWS providing services. Means just assume how many missions are required, how many servers are required, how much storage is required, how much backup is required, how much network bandwidth is required. Just assume, guys, how AWS is managing all these things. How AWS is managing all these things. How AWS is providing the services for 190 plus countries. What is the global infrastructure AWS is managing? What is the global infrastructure? See, guys, global infrastructure. Global infrastructure of AWS. Global infrastructure of AWS. Right? AWS maintaining infrastructure. Observe carefully, guys. AWS maintaining infrastructure by using regions and availability zones, guys. AWS maintaining infrastructure by using regions and availability zones. Right here, globally we have 26 regions are available, guys. How many regions are available? Region is nothing but what, guys? One geographical location is called as the region. One area, one location, one geographical location, we will call it as region. What is availability zone? One availability zone is one data center. Region means area, guys. Location. Availability zone means data center. Right? With these regions and availability zones only, AWS maintaining the infrastructure. Right? Globally, how many regions are available? 26 regions are available globally. How many availability zones are available? 84 availability zones are available. 84 availability zones are available. Let me open the graph. Let me open the map, guys. Map. AWS Global Infrastructure. Just the type AWS Global Infrastructure. You will get the map. Global Infrastructure. See guys, AWS Global Infrastructure, the most secure, extensive and reliable global cloud infrastructure for all your applications. What is this? Just to read it guys. The most secure, extensive, reliable global cloud infrastructure for all your application. What is AWS Global Infrastructure guys? Read it. Most secure, extensive, reliable global cloud infrastructure for all your applications. See guys, at 27, right, 27, right, whenever I have seen for previous batch, at that time 26 only is available, one more also ready. 27 launched regions are available. 27 launched regions are available. 87 availability zones are available. 27 regions are available. 87 availability zones are available. See the map guys. See this map. This is the map, word wise map guys. Word wise map. See here we have two colors. One is this blue color cake. What is this color? Right, this one is already ready. People are using. Already ready. Red color things, red color regions are coming soon. Red color marked ones are coming soon guys. Remaining these one are already ready guys. People are using. See guys, if you go with India, this is the India, right? If you go with India, where we have India here, this is the India. Right? In India, we have only one region which is Mumbai. See guys, only Mumbai. In Mumbai, how many availability zones are available? 3 availability zones are available in Mumbai. When they launched in Mumbai, 2016. 2016 they launched in Mumbai. Total 3 availability zones. 3 data centers are available in Mumbai location. Right? One more is coming soon in India. One more is coming soon in India. Right? In Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, setup is going on. That setup is going on. See, Hyderabad coming soon. Coming soon. As of now, in India, we have only one region in Mumbai. That is, see guys, in that region we have 3 availability zones. One more region is coming soon in India, right, which is Hyderabad location. Okay. Next guys, see here, UAE, Dubai, already available. 3 availability zones also available. Next one, Bahrain. Right, see, here also already available. Right, this is what, right, Israel coming soon. This is what, right, Spain coming soon. This is what, right, Cape Town already launched in 2020. Right, this is what, right, here also already launched in 2011. 3 availability zones are available. This is what, right, Virginia, right, here already available. Right, launched in 2006 only. Right, 6 availability zones are available. Right, here this is what, Canada West coming soon. Right, see AWS, right, Go Cloud, right, launched in 2011, 3 availability zones. See guys, Europe already launched, Spain coming soon. See guys, here this is what, Israel, this is what, right, Milan, in Milan already launched, right, beside Milan what we have, Switzerland coming soon, here Melbourne coming soon, right, here, right, Auckland coming soon. Right, Sydney already launched. See guys, this is the map guys. This is the map. Red color means coming soon, not yet ready. Infrastructure setup is going on. Right, in India only one availability, one region is available in Mumbai location. Right, another one is coming soon in Hyderabad location. Here guys, like this. Total how many regions are available? Total 27 launched regions are available. 27 launched regions are available. In this 27 regions, 87 availability zones are available. One availability zone equal to 1 data center. 87 data centers are available. Total 87 data centers are available. In that 87 data centers, 3 data centers are available in Mumbai location. In Mumbai region, 3 data centers are available. See guys, here you can read. The AWS cloud spans 87 availability zones within 27 geographic regions. 27 geographic regions around the world with announced plans for 21 more availability zones and 7 more AWS regions. Understood guys? Right, 21 coming soon. 21 availability zones are coming soon and in 7 regions guys. 7 regions are coming soon. Right, more AWS regions in Australia, Canada, India, right, Israel, New Zealand, Spain and Switzerland. In these locations are coming soon guys. 7 more. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In these 7 locations, right, new regions are coming soon. Australia, Canada, India. In India, Hyderabad location coming soon. Israel, New Zealand, Spain, and Switzerland. Understood, guys? Already 87 is ready. 7 more is coming soon. 94. 94 regions. Already 87. Sorry. 87 available. 27. 27 regions plus 7 regions are coming soon. 27 plus 7 how much? 34. 34 guys. And already 87 availability zones are available. 21 more availability zones are coming soon. Means how many? 108. 108 availability zones. Clear guys? How they are maintaining infrastructure clear? They are maintaining the infrastructure through regions and availability zones. Okay. See guys, how it look like these data centers? How it look like? AWS data center. AWS data center. See guys, outside. This is the outside view, guys, with a tight security. With a tight security, very big building is available. This is one of the data center. One of the data center. This is the outside view with very high tight security. With very high tight security, guys. See how much big buildings they are maintaining. This is only one data center. Like this, how many data centers are available? 87 data centers are available like this. 21, 27 more, 21 or 27. 27, right, coming soon is there, guys. This kind of buildings, 87 buildings are available. Worldwise, this kind of 87 buildings are available, guys. This is the outside view of the data center. What about inside view, guys? See, guys, this is inside view. Inside view, see, we have racks. So many servers are available in the racks. See, all these are the racks, guys. Inside the racks, servers are available. This is the inner view, guys. Inside view. Is it clear? Yeah, availability zone is one data center. Region. Regions means what, guys? Here we have seen. Regions means what? Here we have seen, guys. That if you go to here, region means what? One geographical location. See, guys, geographical location we will call it as regions. Geographic location. One area, guys, it is nothing but one area. What is Availability zone. What is availability zone? Availability zone is nothing but data center. Availability zone is nothing but data center. Total, how many regions are available, guys? 27 regions. Total 27 regions are available. 27 regions are available, and 87 availability zones are available. 27 regions and 87 availability zones. Okay. In India, where we have, guys? In India, we have one region. We have one region in Mumbai location. In Mumbai location with 3 availability zones. 3 availability zones. Right. So in India, we have one region with 3 availability zones in Mumbai location. Right, guys. What is the name, guys? What is the name for this Mumbai region? What is the name? What is the name? AP South 1. AP South 1, guys. What is AP? AP is not for Andhra Pradesh, guys. Right. Asia Pacific, guys. Asia Pacific South 1. South 1. This is the name of the Mumbai region. This is the name of the Mumbai region. Name of the Mumbai region is AP South 1A. AP stands for what? Asia Pacific, not Andhra Pradesh, guys. Here we have 3 availability zones with these names. AP South 1A, AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Like this, 3 data centers, 3 availability zones are available. Right, guys. In Mumbai region, we have 3 availability zones. All 3 availability zones are available in same location. Same location, guys. They won't maintain. In Mumbai, we have 3 data centers, means they won't maintain in same location. Right. At least between data center to data center, they will maintain 100 kilometers distance, guys. Right. Due to any reason, due to any earthquake or anything, any one data center got collapsed, they need to recover everything from other data center. That's why they will maintain 100 kilometer distance between data center to data center. Right, 3 data centers are available, means right, not in same location. All 3 data centers are available in different locations. Different locations, guys. If any natural things are happened, right, if any data center got collapsed, right, they are in a position, they should be in a position to, right, recollect the data, recover the data from other data centers. That's why they are maintaining a minimum 100 kilometers distance between data center to data center. Is it clear, guys? Up to here clear? Online candidates, please respond. What is regions? What is availability zones? How they are maintaining the infrastructure globally? Right? What is IaaS? What is PaaS? What is SaaS? All these things are clear. Guys, please respond. Right. Next, guys. Next. AWS free tier account. AWS free tier account creation. AWS free tier account creation. Okay. If you want to work with these AWS services, if you want to use these AWS services, compulsory you should have account in AWS, guys. Compulsory you should have an account in AWS. That is completely free, guys. Free tier account only we are going to create. Free tier account only we are going to create. See, guys, here we can create a free account. Here we have the option to sign in, guys. Sign in into the console. Sign in into the console. See, guys, if you want to create the new account, here we have the option. Create a new AWS account. We should have the account, guys. Then only we can able to use those services. If you want to use the services of AWS, we should have the account in AWS. So we need to create a new account in AWS, guys. And this is the free tier account. This account is up to 1 year, it is free. Up to 1 year, this account is free, guys. Right? So at the time of account creation, it will ask to enter the card details. Only selected cards only acceptable. All cards are not acceptable, guys. Selected cards. Some of the selected cards are there. Those cards only, right, it will accept. And they will deduct 2 rupees, guys. Just for verification, account verification purpose, they are deducting 2 rupees. Right? Once the account is activated, once verification is done and account is activated, again you will get the 2 rupees back into your account. Even if you use any paid services also, they won't deduct anything from your account. In AWS, there is no auto deduction, guys. They won't deduct a single NP also. They won't deduct a single NP even if you use paid services also. You will get the mails, don't worry. If you get the mails, don't worry, guys. No problem. Just send one mail to them. Arey boss, I'm a student. I can't able to pay the amount. Like that, send one mail, they will make it as 0. They will consider that, guys. You need to tell. You need to send one mail. Any bill is generated, just send one mail to the customer support team like, I am a student, I am exploring this AWS services, so please make this bill as 0. Send one mail to them, they will make it as 0. They will make it as 0, guys. And before going to make it as 0, they will verify for which purpose you are using. For which purpose you are using, they will verify, and after that they will make it as 0. Is it clear, guys? There is no auto deduction option. There is no auto deduction option. They won't deduct, guys. They won't deduct. Even bill is generated also, no issue. We can make it 0. Right? So don't worry. Right? Please give your card details. Then only you can able to create the account. For creating the account, card details are mandatory at here. Just they will deduct 2 rupees. Again, you will get the 2 rupees back. Okay. Fine. Here, already I have the account. I'm going to log in with my account details. Guys, if you are not sending the mail right, they will continuously keep on sending the mails regarding your payment. Right? They will give some chances. Right? If you are not pay right, finally they will terminate your account. Right? They will suspend your account, guys. Any bill got generated, just send a mail to them, they will make it 0. like this. See guys, this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard, guys. Click on this. See, these are the services are available. These are the services. All these are the services which we have. Right? These are recently visited services. Lambdas, S3, Route 53, EC2. Right? VPC, IAM. Right? These are right for previous batches, for evening batches. Right? For previous batches. Right? I have visited all these services. RDS. Okay. This is our AWS management console, guys. Whatever the services AWS is providing, all those services you can see it here. They will charge hourly base, guys. They will charge hourly base. Here. If you want to use the AWS services, so you should have account in AWS. Right, we can create right free account in AWS. Right, under free tier account, under free tier account, right, up to 1 year, we can use AWS services. Under free tier account, up to 1 year, we can use AWS services. Right here, if a bill got generated, for us usage, then AWS is not going to auto detect. Right here, AWS will not perform auto detect. So bill got generated for us usage, AWS will not perform auto detect. It is not going to perform auto deduction. Right here, we can ask, guys, as a student, right, we can request as a student, we can request AWS, right, to waive off our bill amount. We can request, guys. We can request AWS to waive off our bill amount, guys. If bill got generated and if you are not pay that amount, continuously you guys will get mails, guys. Continuously you guys will get mails. Right? Finally, they will suspend your account. And if you send a mail as a student, and as a student I can't able to pay, and please waive off my bill amount like this. If you send a mail to them, they will make it as 0, then you can continue your usage. But without sending, if you are not sending any mail and if you are not paying the bill right, what they will do? Right, a few days they will send continuous mails and finally they will suspend your account. Clear, guys? Compulsory we should have the account in AWS. Then only we can practice all AWS services. Right here we have some services are paid services are there, some services are free services are there. That I will discuss. That I will tell. At the time of discussion, which one is the paid one, which one is the free one, right? We will tell. I will tell, guys. We will discuss that. Clear? This diagram is clear. Please tell me in AWS what we have as platform as service, guys. What we have as platform as service, which service is available as platform? Right, AWS got this much of popularity, right, because of infrastructure as a service only. Infrastructure as a service only, AWS got this much popularity, guys. Oh man, EC2 is not a platform. Yesterday I have noted that in AWS we have Beanstack. AWS we have Beanstack is available. That Beanstack will provide the platform as a service. Beanstack. Beanstack is available. This Beanstack only will provide the platform as a service in AWS. Right? Azure also providing platform as services. Right? GCP also providing platform as services. And here also AWS is providing infrastructure as services. Azure is providing infrastructure as services. GCP also providing infrastructure as services. Okay. Fine, guys. So what we discussed in today's session, guys. In yesterday's session, we discussed what is infrastructure, what is cloud computing, what advantages we have with cloud computing, and what cloud providers are available in market. And today we discussed cloud services. How many ways these cloud services are classified? 3 ways: IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Infrastructure as service, platform as service, software as service. If you go with infrastructure as service, what you will get from the cloud providers and what you need to manage. See guys, if you go with IaaS, right, to run our application, right, you need to prepare. You should prepare the platform by using cloud infrastructure. That infrastructure will be managed by the cloud providers. By using that infrastructure, you should prepare the platform to run our application. If you go with platform as a service, cloud provider will provide the required platform to run our application. If you go with software as a service, cloud providers only will provide the software. Just we need to use the software for our business purpose. I will give, man. I will give. At the time of discussing, I will give. Yesterday, I have given what is IaaS and what is PaaS, what is SaaS. For PaaS also, I have given example. IaaS also, I told infrastructure as code. Please open the yesterday notes and check it once. Which service is providing IaaS? Which service is providing PaaS? Already, I have mentioned in yesterday notes. To open the yesterday notes, you can able to see that. In yesterday notes, I have mentioned what service is providing what. Cloud Formation is providing infrastructure as code. Right here, Beanstack, Elastic Beanstack is providing platform as services. Right here, software guys, software they are providing. Salesforce is the SAS only. Salesforce is not going to provide. Salesforce is not going to provide this PAS, SAS. Salesforce is providing SAS only. They have one application which is CRM application. They are providing that CRM application as a software, and whoever wants that application, they can use that application. Right, remaining all AWS, Azure, GCP, they are providing these things, guys. IaaS, PaaS, they are providing all these things. Right, guys. Next, global infrastructure of the AWS. How AWS is maintaining this infrastructure, guys, using regions and availability zones. AWS is maintaining this infrastructure. Coming to regions, one region is nothing but one geographical location. Availability zone is nothing but data center. See guys, worldwide, total 27 regions are available and 87 availability zones are available. In India, we have one region in Mumbai location with 3 availability zones. Name of the Mumbai region is AP South 1. AP stands for Asia Pacific, not Andhra Pradesh, guys. Right. So under this region, what 3 availability zones are available? 1A, 1B, 1C. These are the 3 availability zones which we have in Mumbai region. See guys, if we want to use the AWS services, we should have the account in AWS. For that, we are going to create one free account. Free account, guys. Under that free account, up to 1 year, we can use the AWS services. Right? If bill got generated for our usage, if you use more for our usage, if any bill got generated, AWS will not perform any auto deduction. As a student, we can request AWS to waive off our bill amount. They will make it as 0, no problem. Right? Once a bill is generated, if you are not paying that bill, right, and you are not sending this message continuously for a few days, they will send the mail. After that, they will suspend your account. Again, you need to create the new account. Is it clear, guys? Just these are theoretical parts only, introductions and theoretical parts only, guys. Tomorrow I will show how to create the AWS, how to create the EC2 virtual machines, and how to connect how to connect with that virtual machine by using different client softwares. How to create the virtual machine in Windows virtual machine. How to create the Windows virtual machine. To connect with that Windows virtual machine, what we need to use. Right, how to create the Linux virtual machine. To connect with the Linux virtual machine, what we need to use. Right, to connect with the Windows virtual machine, we require RDP. Right, we need to enable the RDP protocol. Right, to connect with the Linux virtual machines, we need to enable SSH protocol. Right, what is that RDP protocol? What is that SSH protocol? All these things we will discuss, guys. In tomorrow's session, we will discuss all those things. If you create Windows virtual machine, to connect with that Windows virtual machine, we need to enable RDP protocol. RDP protocol, guys. Right? What is the RDP? Remote desktop. Remote desktop. See here we have the RDP. RDP, remote desktop. This is RDP. Right? By using this, we can able to connect with the Windows Linux machine. How you will connect with Windows Linux machine with this remote desktop connection? I will show in tomorrow's session. Okay, I have created, right? I have created AP South 1. I have created some missions, right? I will connect with that missions, right? I think I have deleted these missions. These missions are not available. Tomorrow I will create one more Windows virtual mission, and I will connect with this RDP. Is it clear, guys? Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to jump into our services. See guys, what is cloud computing? Advantages with the cloud computing, right? Regions and availability zones, data centers, right? These things we discussed.
I wanted to ask, what is
workspace is nothing but wherever we are creating all these things, that is called as workspace, guys. Suppose if you take right here workspace, we are not creating in our local machines. Right, AWS workspace and all those things, we are not creating anything in our local machines. Through internet, through web, right, we are connecting with the AWS. There only they will create the workspace. Suppose I am a developer. I want to develop one project. If I want to develop one project, I need to create one workspace. In that workspace only, I will create all the applications. See here. Let me show it. See guys, this is one project. Product data service is one project. Right here for that one workspace is nothing but what? One directory, one folder, guys. Right, corresponding this product data services, whatever the files are required, everything I will put inside this folder only. This folder only we will call it as workspace. Product data service workspace. See here, whatever the files are there, all those files I have put inside this folder only. This is called as one workspace, guys.
actually, like I told you, support. I got access. One of the on. I access it.
So for that, see guys, creating the workspace means right here in that AWS, once you got the access, once you connect with the AWS, there you need to create the mission, and there you need to create the one server, right? There you need to create everything. Inside that mission only we need to create the workspace. See guys, I want to install some softwares in that. For that, I will create one folder inside the AWS in EC2 instance mission. Inside that folder, I will keep all the required softwares. I will keep all the files. That is called one workspace. In our local machine, we won't do anything. First, we need to create one instance. In that instance only, we need to do all these things. That is called one workspace.
So, like you just showed RDP. Like
RDP, remote desktop. Going to use Windows virtual machine.
So when I log into that workspace, like not
Ubuntu is just a flavor of the Linux.
yeah, that's a flavor. I connect that workspace. I don't know what was that. Like you should have something.
Yes, workspace is nothing but here inside the cloud also we can able to create a desktop, guys. Inside the cloud here, what we are doing, we are not creating any desktops inside the cloud. Just we are creating virtual machines. Same way here, how we have the desktop, same way we can able to create one desktop inside the AWS also. That is workspace. See here how we have the desktop, how we have the system. Same way we can create one desktop inside the AWS cloud. That one they are calling as workspace.
I can just share.
They're in chart.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, fine.
Like if I and then it's a client. Double click that, it asks you password, all those, and then you sign in. Then it's like
That username and password, all those things your company only will provide, right?
provided all those registration.
Yeah, everything they will provide. Yeah.
So that workspace that I have complete for me, or is it, I was not able to understand. So I asked this.
Share me those details. I will check and let you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Please go through these notes, guys. Please go through these notes what we discussed in today's session. Right. So we will continue tomorrow. Remaining things we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you, guys. I'm stopping here. Tomorrow we will continue.